Try our self-care smoothie recipe with collagen. Make this smoothie all summer long for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Add a handful of carrots, some banana, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, and blend those together. Now add some ice, a handful of spinach, plus half a cup of your choice of milk. We went with vanilla almond milk. And blend again until all the spinach has been incorporated. Scoop in your collagen and blend one more time. VitaMedica's collagen peptides has 16 grams of protein per scoop.